Hi, first graders. Welcome to Tuesday. This is the second day we will be reviewing our spoon card, which says ooh, ooh. Make sure that you're reading along with us. All right, think. Say, the word is soup. OU is one of our sounds for our spoon card. Ooh, ooh. Think. Say, the word is room. OO is also a spelling for our spoon card, which says ooh. Think. Say, the word is soon. Think. Say, the word is tools. Think. Say, the word is super. So U blank E is also a spelling for our oo spoon card. This word is super. What's the word? Next word, think. Say, the word is cool. Think. Say, the word is rude. There's that U blank E again. Think. Say, the word is drew. And last one, think. Say, the word is blue. UE is also a sound spelling for the spoon card. Here's our spoon card right here. We have OO, U blank E, U, EW, UE, OU, and UI. So, our spoon card says ooh, ooh. What does it say? We have OO like in the word spoon. We have U like in the word truth. We have U blank E like in the word tube. We have EW like in the word grew. UE like in the word true. UI like in the word juice. And OU like in the word group. So lots of spellings for our OO sound. Let's go ahead and do some practice with blending. Ready? Blend. Bull. Ooh. Word is blue. Next word. Ooh. Word is root. Next one. Fur. Ooh. Word is fruit on your own. Word is new. Oh, sorry, S at the end. The new word is news. All right, this is where you're going to stretch it out. Ready? Stretch. Oop. Word is soup. Next word. Full. Word is Word is roof. Word is tune. Word is hoop. Next word. Word is drew. Next word. Word is scoop. Next word. Word is noon. Word is suit. Word is true. Word is prune. Last one. Word is grew. Good job. Okay, this word, let's sound it out together. Ooh, The word is moon. Change N to D. Think, say. The word is mood. What's the word? Change M to F. Think, say. The word is food. What's the word? Change D to L. Think, say. The word is fool. What's the word? Change F to T. The word is tool. Tool, what's the word? Get rid of the L, think. Say, the word is two. Now this type of two means also. TWO is our number two, and this is like I'm standing next to you. So also, number, where are you? Okay. All right. So this word is two. What's the word? Change T to Z. Think. Say, the word is zoo. What's the word? Add an M at the end of the word. Think. Say, the word is zoom. Zoom, what's the word? Change Z to R. Think. Say, room, what's the word? Change M to T. Think. Say, the word is root. What's the word? Change R to FR. Change R to FR. Think. Say, the word is fruit. What's the word? Change FR to S. Think. Say, the word is suit. What's the word? Get rid of the T. Think. Say, the word is Sue. What's the word? Change S to D. Think. Say, the word is, do. What's the word? Change D to DR. Think. Say, the word is drew. What's the word? Change DR to GR. Think. Say, grew. What's the word? Grew. Add a P at the end of the word. Think. Say, the word is group. What's the word? All right, we're going to work on some bling words. Now, these are words that we've already practiced. This is a review, and we'll get back to numbers tomorrow. This word is bin. What's the word? Bin is spelled B-E-E-N. Now, E-E usually says E, so this is a rule breaker. But the word is bin. What's the word? I have been to the zoo. This word is even. What's the word? E-V-E-N. Your turn. E-V-E-N. Even if you don't, I will. E is where this splits. It says its name. V-E-N. Then. E-Then. This is a rule follower. Next word. This is oil. What's the word? Oil is spelled O-I-L. How do we spell it? O-I-L. Now this one has O-I, which says oi, and then ul at the end. This is also a rule follower. My mom uses oil when she cooks. This word is number. What's the word? We spell number N-U-M-B-E-R. Your turn. N-U-M-B-E-R. We have v-er. This is a rule follower. What is your lucky number? Alright, we are going to read the story called Rooster and Goose. So we have oo and oo. Okay? This word is was. What's the word? They. What's the word? Should. What's the word? Come. What's the word? Through. What's the word? Busy. What's the word? Answer. What's the word? Enough. What's the word? Eyes. What's the word? Alright, we are going to read this story called Rooster and Goose. So, we have the word zoo, which has our spoon card in it. We also have rooster, and then we have goose, and then we have smoother. All of those words have our ooh sound in them. Read this page along with me. Ready? Read. Life at the farm was like a wild zoo. Rooster and Goose felt that they should come up with a plan. Things needed to run smoother. Okay, next page, let's find our ooh sound. We once again have rooster and goose. We have rooster there and goose. All right, let's read it together. Ready? Read. First, rooster and goose brought the animals through the big barn door. Rooster said, "We know you are busy, but we need to make the farm better. We have an answer to fix it up." Then Goose stated, "Let's not bug each other. Let's join together. We can make it better." Now, these stories are also found in your phonics packet if you want to read them by yourself later. The last two pages. So we have rooster. There in horse we have the or sound. Let's see, we have scooped and roots. Let's see, goose. Okay, let's read it together. Ready? Read. So rooster and horse went to check the crops. They set the roots in and scooped soil on top. This was enough to make the crops grow. The chicks picked up the hay. Then Goose and Pig made the hay neat. The eyes of the animals were wide with joy. The farm looked so nice. Okay, last page, let's find our ooh sound. We have moon, ooh, ooh, and rooster, and goose, and cool. Ready? Read. That night the animals sat under the bright moon. They were glad that they came together and did the job. The farm felt like such a nice place. Rooster and Goose both said, "It is cool to be a team." All right. So we have suffixes. Today we are working on FUL and LESS. This one right here, FUL, means full or full of. So if you have the base word help and you add full to the end, it is helpful, and that means you are full of help. So if you help your mom or dad or grandma with something, then you are being very helpful for them. Okay? Then we have the word less. Less means the suffix less means without. So if we have help, the base word, and add less at the end, we have helpless, which means without help. So if you are needing help and nobody's there to help you, then you are helpless. Okay? Same thing here, fearful. So you are full of fear, joyful, full of joy, toothless, you don't have any teeth, useless, it's not of use to you. That's all the time we have today. I will see you tomorrow for day 3. Bye.